What inspires you? When you are coming up with ideas for your art, you have to think about what your favorite things are in life because subconsciously you will reflect these things in your art. It's best to start by making a list and answering the following questions. Number 1, what kind of music do you listen to? And do you like specific rhythms, melodies, and instruments? Number 2, what is your favorite thing to eat? And what does it look like, smell like, and what kind of texture does it have? Number 3, when you go shopping for clothes, what colors do you gravitate towards? Do you like specific patterns, fabrics, or fabric texture? Number 4, what kind of movies, TV shows, or internet videos do you watch? Do you gravitate towards the subject matter and the storyline? What kind of cinematic feel does it convey? Is it gritty, light and bright? Does it have a specific color theme that runs throughout its story? Number 5, finally, what kind of art do you like? And I'm not talking about the art you're supposed to like the ones that the world said is great. Or the art in the museum that you wonder, how long am I supposed to stand in front of this? I'm talking about the everyday art in your life, like the billboard on your way to work that grabs your attention, the book you buy because the cover is great, the graffiti in the subway you take a picture of on your phone, or the Instagram you follow because you want it showing up on your feed every day. If you can answer these questions, then you already know your style. The hard part is figuring out how to take this inspiration and make it your own. Let's think back to when you were learning how to write the alphabet. In the beginning, your letters are sloppy. You may even draw the lines in the wrong direction. You feel shaky and you have to take your time to understand each letter individually. With some practice, your letters are more confident. Other people can finally understand what letter you're writing and eventually put those letters together and form words. Then you're more focused on the message you are trying to convey when you put your words together. You add punctuation. You begin to tell a story. You're a pro now, and you begin to notice that the original letters you learned how to write look different than your classmates. Maybe you curve your letters, slant your letters, or even add some frills. You are starting to develop your style. Then you look over at Ashley's letters and you notice she add little hearts and smiley faces to her letters and you think, why didn't I think of that? So you begin to add hearts and smiley faces to your letters. And then later you decide that smiley faces and hearts are just not you. So you develop a style of your own based off of everything that you have learned so far. Does this sound familiar? Developing your art style is going to take practice because you don't know what you don't know. But as long as people are able to read your words, per se, and understand your message, then you have already developed a style. It's just going to take some time to refine it. So let's dive in and let me show you how to develop your process at warp speed so you become confident in your storytelling, your techniques, and your style as an artist.